Hi, I'm Melissa from Online Fabric Store. Traditional log carriers can be awkward to carry and heavy at times, so I'm going to show you how to make one that has backpack straps and a regular strap for a new take on a traditional look. So let's get started. The materials you will need are 2 yards of PVC coated polyester, 2 strap slides, 2 buckles, 5 yards of cotton webbing, pins, a ruler, scissors, thread, a fabric marker, and a sewing machine. Cut the following pieces out of the PVC coated polyester. 4 main panels that are 19 by 22 inches, and 2 bottom panels that are 6 by 22 inches. Cut the following pieces of cotton webbing. 2 24-inch strips, 2 17-inch strips, 4 12-inch strips, and 2 4-inch strips. Pin together 2 of the main panels with right sides facing. Do this to the other 2 main panels as well. Also, pin the 2 bottom panels with right sides facing. Focus on the backwards facing panel of your bag first. Take 1 17-inch strip of cotton webbing and pin it to the top edge. Both ends should be 7.5 inches away from the edges of the bag. Remember to have 1 inch of webbing sticking out. Then take a 24-inch strip of webbing and pin it 3.5 inches away from the edge of the top. Repeat this on both sides. Then take a 12-inch strip of cotton webbing and pin it 5 inches away from the edge of the top. Remember to have 1 inch of webbing sticking out. Repeat this on both sides. Now move to the frontwards facing panel of your bag. Take the other 17-inch strip of cotton webbing and pin it to the top edge. Both ends should be 7.5 inches away from the edges of the bag. To place the straps correctly, tuck them inside of the 2 panels so that they will be on the outside of the bag when it is turned inside out. Leave 1 inch sticking out from the top of the panels. Take a 4-inch strip of cotton webbing and pin it 5 inches away from the edge. Repeat this on the other side. Remember to have 1 inch of webbing sticking out. Using a 1/2 inch seam allowance, sew around the edges, leaving an opening at the bottom to turn the panels inside out. Backstitch at the beginning and end. Do this to all 3 panels. Flip all the panels inside out and make sure the straps are placed correctly. Fold down the edges of the flap that remains open so it matches the rest of the seams. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, top stitch around the entire panel. Do this to all 3 panels. At every piece of webbing, sew a square around the edges of the 1 inch strip that is now inside of the panel. Sew an X through the square. This will create a strong strap that will not break. With right sides facing, pin the bottom panel to the back of your bag. Take the remaining 12-inch strips of webbing and pin them 3.5 inches from each side of the panels. You should begin to see how the backpack straps will come together. Sew the 2 pieces together. Sew in the same square with an X in the webbing to the back panel of the carrier. With the right sides facing, pin the bottom panel to the front panel of the bag. Sew the 2 pieces together. Starting with the backpack straps, close the webbing on the 24-inch straps. See our How to Close Webbing tutorial for details. Attach strap slides to the bottom 12-inch straps and close it around the middle loop. Slide the 24-inch straps through the top loop and then the bottom loop, and adjust the straps to size. Moving to the straps on the top of the bag, close the 4-inch strip of cotton webbing around the female side of one of the buckles. Do this again on the other side. Finally, close the top 12-inch webbing and attach the male half of the buckle by coming up through the bottom of the top loop, over the middle, and down through the bottom loop. Repeat for the other top 12-inch webbing strip. Close the buckle and adjust the straps to size. This tremendous log carrier has got your back all through the winter, making it easy for you to get your logs from outside. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. Bye-bye!